Have you ever wondered what actually makes that loud, popping sound when you crack your knuckles or joints? Your joints are surrounded by a lubricating fluid called synovial fluid, which contains dissolved gases like carbon dioxide. When you stretch or bend a joint, you expand the space between the bones, causing pressure in the fluid to drop rapidly. This drop in pressure pulls the gases out of the fluid, forming bubbles that suddenly collapse and pop, creating the sound you hear. It takes about 20 minutes for the gases to dissolve back into the fluid before you can crack them again. Subscribe for daily medical facts.